Hello, it's 10 p.m. and welcome to the weather update, September 2nd, 2020. And it looks like it was kind of just a gloomy day today. A couple of light showers around. Most of the rain was off to our south. We'll look at some of the current conditions here. 76 at Farmingdale. Kind of humid out there, not that hot, but dew points are in the low 70s at the dew point of 72, and that's pretty much the conditions everywhere. Looks like we are having some shower or perhaps even some thunderstorm activity moving to our area, waiting for it to load here. It looks like it's mainly over New Jersey. Let's see if it's going to. Oh, yeah. Impressive thunderstorm activity. Well, not really that impressive, but impressive rainfall activity. Nothing severe. Looked like there was a warning issued for part of uh, Maryland there, but now it is moving east and we'll probably just get some rain from it overnight. Let's go look at the SPC. SPC, severe thunderstorm. This to load here. SPC severe thunderstorm site here. So a slight risk for parts of northern Virginia, southeast Pennsylvania. This is not in our area. So this is the day one. This is today. And you'll see a slight area right in that interior area of Maryland, southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern New Jersey, parts of Virginia, and the District of Columbia. Let's go take a look at the day two. Actually, they had the day two up here. So look at tomorrow's here. And day two, we see even an enhanced risk in the same area, and then around it a slight risk. So this could involve New Jersey south of the Raritan, and then a marginal risk for our area on Long Island. This is for tomorrow. So let's take a look at the tropical situation. Omar is just a depression now. And Nana, a tropical storm at 60 miles an hour, minimum central pressure 994 millibars. It's located at 17 north, 86.8 west, and it's moving west at 13 at 15 miles an hour. Again, going to impact Belize here, but I don't think it's going to become a hurricane at this point. So, we're going to take a look at our weather. We're just going to be focusing on the northeast here, and mainly that severe threat for tomorrow. So let's go and look at that. Look at the HRRR model here. Go to the 0Z. Let's see what the HRRR is doing. It's showing up the rain pretty well. That's in eastern Pennsylvania. It should break it up mostly, so it might see a little light to moderate rain, but probably no substantial thunderstorms. As we go into tomorrow, though, it looks like it does develop something over coastal Rhode Island there, and then a more significant activity tomorrow night. But again, it looks like it has most of it over New Jersey, and not really over us. And then that front comes through on Friday, bringing us a nice weekend. So let's go back to the GFS here, and we will go ahead and look at our temperatures. It will be warmer tomorrow, so we'll go ahead and look at that, and we're only going to go through till Labor Day. So tomorrow, you'll see tomorrow, we're going to get a little more sun, so I think we'll get up into the probably low to mid 80s, maybe upper 80s, maybe close to 90 in parts of the North Shore, Nassau, New York City, and probably 90 or greater in New Jersey. Front comes through Friday during the day. Temperatures are, we're going to have west winds, so temperatures will probably still make it to the mid 80s. There'll be a little bit of a lag before the cool air comes in, and then Saturday looks amazing. Mid to upper 70s everywhere, New Jersey, Long Island as well. Probably a little closer to a little warmer on Sunday, closer to 80, and then maybe 80 or greater, probably low 80s, maybe mid 80s in New Jersey, and around 80 on Long Island on Monday. So let's look at the dew points. That's the measure of the humidity in the air, because it is humid, and it will be humid tomorrow too as well. But it look what happens here. It looks like we already start to see this cold front getting close to us tomorrow, and that's what could touch off those thunderstorms. Dew points will probably make it into the upper 60s. You can see it's trying to approach, but it's not really going to make it through until Friday, and then you start seeing that probably by Friday afternoon. Dew points start coming down, and we're dropping those dew points into the up the 40s perhaps on Saturday, and then on Sunday we'll probably still stay low, probably 50s for dew points, and even Monday, maybe a little bit of an increase in the dew points, but nothing terrible. So a beautiful Labor Day weekend, definitely much needed across the area. and I'm not gonna. Well, we will look at the sky cover, I guess, a little bit. For I know tomorrow there'll be plenty of clouds. Friday we should be getting rid of the cloud. Friday might be a mostly sunny day. Saturday we might see a few clouds around. Looks like some high clouds from a system passing to the south. Then Sunday we're clear again, and then Monday we might have some more clouds. But again, it looks like most of them are to the north, so it should be fairly decent. Fairly decent. As far as I'll back it to tomorrow, you'll see we'll have a decent amount of clouds around, but not as many as today. If we go look at the NAM 3 kilometer, you will see here, and let me make this the 18Z run so you can take a look at this. So here's the 18Z run, and see, yeah, some clouds, some breaks of sun, be a lot of instability. You can see those bright whites. That can indicate some thunderstorm activity. But Friday, nothing really. Friday will just feature a good amount of sunshine, I think, and temperatures warm, but humidity is dropping throughout the day. I want to look at the NAM radar, and we'll go ahead and we'll take a look and see what thunderstorm activity the NAM generates for tomorrow. NAM, again, it's very scattered. The more robust stuff is over southern New Jersey, it looks. So that's why they have the threat mainly south of us. Let me go look at Ventusky here. One more parameter we'll look at here, and that's the Cape. We'll have to change this to tomorrow here. There's the Cape for Thursday. Alright, so if this to 8, we'll start in the morning, 8 a.m. Not too impressive. 11 p.m., 11 a.m. I meant. Still not that impressive. It's still mainly just off to our south, mainly. And you see it starts getting closer. This is around 8 o'clock now. It starts getting closer, but it's still mainly to the south of us. So we may not see much from this. We'll have to see, though. You know how things are. Weather as an unpredictability, and sometimes, as we've seen this year, the thunderstorm activity often winds up being more robust and more widespread than forecast. So keep an eye on it for you, but I think the thunderstorm risk, for the most part, the severe thunderstorm risk is going to be south of the city, perhaps well south, more like maybe like south of Atlantic City. So that's going to be it for this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.